Oh, we're up to 22 kilometers. We're going downhill now. Woohoo! Speed racer.
He says it won't make it, or?
Now he's telling me it only has like a 50-kilometer range.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna run out before we get to it.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
I'm so stressed out.
So the free shuttle bus on the cruise ship was a massive line. And honestly, the cruise line looked like it was a pretty big line too to get on their bus. So we just got a cab with some other people on the boat, which cost about 18 euros to get to the main part of town for all four of us. We are trying to find a scooter rental place so we can get around easier than trying to find cabs every 5 minutes. You seen the movie Dumber and Dumber?
Dumb and Dumber.
Oh my God.
I feel like Dumber and Dumber today.
We are dumber and dumber today.
Focus on driving, please.
So we're on an electric scooter that the guy said, oh yeah, you can take to the national park, no problem. Well, the electric scooter's losing power as we're going uphill. We are maxed out at 20 kilometers an hour. We were on the toll road, but we were getting run over at full battery power, got us up to 40 kilometers an hour. We're down to 17 now.
Oh my God.
We're hoping we're gonna get a downhill soon.
Okay, focus on driving. I can talk to the camera.
I don't need to focus on the driving, I can walk faster. I can't believe I just paid 55 euros to drive this bike.
I thought it was 45.
Oh, he discounted it to 45, that's right, forgot.
We are officially now on the sidewalk.
Okay, I'm gonna try to go into second gear. Boom, got to 21 kilometers an hour, not miles.
I wanted to go to the Chateau d'If, and it was closed. And Wayne, I think, didn't just want to walk around Old Town, which I would have been fine with, just walking around Old Town, leisurely, you know, dipping in here for some wine, there for some coffee, there for a pastry, here for some gelato. But we also were interested in some places that were farther away. We checked on Ubering, and it was going to be like 140 euros round trip. So he got the idea to rent a scooter.
We are now trying to find a scooter rental place so we can get around easier than trying to find cabs every 5 minutes.
Which, in theory, is a good idea. This has not worked out at all. So,
oh, my butt.
I don't even want to hear about it. This is where I've been sitting.
It's comfy.
On that.
But look at this,
The
is where
metal
I
bar.
sit.
We're 7.9 miles away. Do you want to call the guy and ask him?
Yeah, let's just call him back.
So, I've shed more than a few tears. I've tried to swallow it back down. I try and be a good sport, you know? Go with the flow, but I don't know. I guess sometimes I just have days where I'm a little off, or a lot off.
He's like, oh, I thought you were going to go to the national park in Marseille. So I'm like, what national park in Marseille? Yeah, I didn't see any on the map.
We'll just go back and we'll
Drink around Marseille.
We'll go to Old Town.
Yeah.
Like
Let's just go.
the original plan.
The update on the electric POS, it got down to 5 kilometers an hour, and that's it. We returned the scooter, and now we're just going to go walk through Old Town and see if we can find some wine and maybe some tasty treats. What's the name of the Old Town?
Le Panier. I'm probably not saying that. Penoir. I can't speak French.
Look at this. It's kind of a cool scene.
Check out and explore the street art of Old Town Marseille.
Kind of cool with the old building, the old shutters. It's so eclectic.
Yes, that's what I like. It's like modern meets classic.
You always find yourself in stairs when you're in Europe. We found the stairs.
Traditional pastis from Marseille. It's a mix of star anise and licorice.
Yes.
Yeah, it does smell like licorice, like black licorice. Cheers. What do we say in French?
Santé.
Santé?
Ouais.
Oh, yeah.
How much percentage alcohol?
45.
It's
It's a liquor.
That's
Yeah,
why they
it's a
water
liquor.
it.
Yeah, it is refreshing. It's not like a whiskey. It's not harsh.
No, and if you drink that without water, it's too aromatic, too strong.
Yeah. You know, I'm not a fan of black licorice, but it's not bad the more you have them.
This is different organic pastis. It's more aromatic, more plant. Okay.
Has a different smell to it.
Yeah, like he said, it's organic. So
Yeah,
it has
yeah.
More
Yes, it's different.
Yeah, different aroma.
different notes.
It kind of looks like rakia. You know, the ones that we get in America, not the ones we had in the Baltic.
Yeah. Oh, I like that.
It's different.
Yeah. Slightly less licorice.
Yes, more licorice in this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this one.
Yeah, this one's good. There's a storm coming in, so we're gonna try to catch a Uber back. Travel day just keeps getting better. We can't find an Uber. We can't get a cab to get us back to the boat. And we can't seem to figure out where we're at, or other than
I moved the pin,
okay.
but now it's still telling us to go back to the pickup spot. Let's just call him.
Okay.
What did he say?
He says he doesn't speak English, but he says he sees us on the map and he'll come get us. So hopefully we got an Uber. It's starting to rain. It is a little bit stressful, but
A little bit? No. Wayne minimizes it when it's convenient and he blows it out of proportion when it's convenient.
nah.
I am like fracking fried today. The pickup spot is on the corner, but that would be stupid because
That's where I was gonna pick you. That's it, that's it. That's him. Thank you so much. Uber saves the day. We made it back on the cruise ship. A little stressful, but
very stressful.
a little bit of an adventure.
Cluster of a day, but I guess
We'll have a story to tell.
we have a story.
I tell you this, Uber took us right to the boat.
Oh yeah.
That was so easy.
We had
And
to
it
go
was-
for C-Pass cards a couple of times, or the Uber driver showed it
Yeah,
for us.
but it was honestly easier than a cab. We couldn't get a cab to save our life.
Well, we were struggling to find an Uber, which was stressing me out because
That
I was
too.
trying to save Wayne's camera equipment. You should have seen the storm clouds that were coming in fast and brewing over us.
Yeah,
Wayne was freaking out. I know he was. weren't
yeah, all my camera gear's in the camel bag. But we made it, and
you? What a mess, but whatever.
things are always different than what you plan. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But we made it back to the boat and we didn't get left, so that's all that matters.
This really didn't work. Oh, thank God.
Got the bed made, that's good. Oh boy. Yeah, we bought the drink package and we're going to use it.